Now, Lord, there is a film called Emergency which is going to be released on 6th, the trailer of which was released on 14th. Now, what happened, Lord, when we saw the trailer of Emergency shows, my Lord, that Amrit, your Lordship knows Amritdhari Sikhs. Amritdhari Sikhs, my Lord, they are very easily recognizable. They wear kirpans,
Yes, sir.
and then Gatra is there, long beard is there. They are wielding guns, my Lord, and they are killing people, bringing them down from a bus. Then, my Lord, there is a dialogue which says, "Tanu chahiye vote, sanu chahiye Khalistan." My Lord, we have got small children going to the school wearing patka and judda, my Lord. They are small children and others will tease them as Khalistanis. And my Lord, Shri Guru Granth Sahib has got 1430 pages. 2500 times, Lord, the word Ram has been used in Shri Guru Granth Sahib. And it is mentioned, Sabe Ghat Ram Bole, Rama Bole. All the Hindu deities have been glorified and praised in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. The entire history of Sikhs, Lord, is so amalgamated with Hindus that you can't differentiate between Hindus and Sikhs.
You see, first and foremost, before release, there has to be a certification by the board.
My Lord, actually we saw one message on the internet that on 29th it was given the certificate of UA, but we could not lay hands on that particular certificate.
Mr. Rupra,
My Lord.
in view of the order passed by Punjab and Indian High Court, in any case the board is looking at. There could be a possibility if there is some scene which requires editing, deletion, etc. or modification. Probably the film may not release on the 6th.
Probably.
We don't know what the position.
So heavily on such
Yes,
type of
Mr. Rupra, we haven't seen the film, we haven't seen the trailer. We don't know because sometimes the trailer does not portray the actual position.
Yes. But the trailer is so popular, my Lord, and so catchy trailer. I can show the relevant portion here itself to my Lord. And I have given 2 photographs of the trailer which are so gruesome, which give the impression that Sikhs are the most, I will say, firstly secessionists, and secondly they are so cruel. May it suit your Lordship. Lord, the petitioner number 1 is voicing the feelings of 20 Gurdwaras, 15 schools and 5 colleges of Jabalpur. And petitioner number 2 is voicing the grievance of 32 Gurdwaras of Indore. Not the whole matter in this case, Lord, pertains to the violation of section 5B of the Cinematograph Act, which I have quoted, Lord, in page number 17 of my writ petition. A film shall not, Lord, may I read with my Lord's kind permission?
Page?
A film shall not be certified.
Page, Mr. Rupra.
Page number 17. Page number 17, para 13, Lord.
Yes.
A film shall not be certified for public exhibition if, in the opinion of the authority competent to grant certificate, the film or any part of it is against the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states, public order, decency or morality, or involves defamation of contempt of court, or is likely to incite the commission of any offense. Now, Lord, there is a film called Emergency which is going to be released on 6th, the trailer of which was released on 14th. Now, what happened, Lord, when we saw the trailer of Emergency shows, my Lord, that your Lordship knows Amritdhari Sikhs. Amritdhari Sikhs, Lord, they are very easily recognizable. They wear kirpans,
Yes,
and then Gatra is there, long beard is there. They are wielding guns, Lord, and they are killing people, bringing them down from a bus. And all of them, none of those, Lord, who are the victims, they are not bearing burden. Of course, they belong to other community. Then, my Lord, there is a dialogue which says, "Tanu chahiye vote, sanu chahiye Khalistan." My Lord, we have got small children going to the school wearing patka and judda, Lord. They are small children and others will tease them as Khalistanis. Lord, the pride of every Sikh is to join the Indian army. Your Lordship knows it very well. And my Lord, Shri Guru Granth Sahib has got 1430 pages. 2500 times, Lord, the word Ram has been used in Shri Guru Granth Sahib. And it is mentioned, Sabe Ghat Ram Bole, Rama Bole. All the Hindu deities have been glorified and praised in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. The entire history of Sikhs, Lord, is so amalgamated with Hindus that you can't differentiate between Hindus and Sikhs.
Who's appearing for the producer? Copy has not been served on them?
No, we have given advance copies to the Deputy Solicitor General.
No, but what about the producer of the film?
Producer for that, my lord, will have to issue notice.
You should have at least sent them a digital copy. They would have been here.
Digital copies.
The first course in a matter like this is we'll have to have a screening of the film. We'll have to see the film. If they were here, we'll have it after lunch. You serve them digitally so that at least they're here. And
Lord, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has passed the order, my lord, in this.
what is the order passed?
Lord, it has been sent on visual.
What is the order? WP number of that? May I read with my lord? It's a long order. Finally, in view of the aforesaid, I'll read the operative part. Lord, it deserves to be read. The petition filed in public interest, wherein the alleged public cause raised is that movie Emergency, which is scheduled to be released on 6/9/24, contains scenes which target and hurt the sentiments of Sikh community. Therefore, prayer is made the following.
Has the film been certified?
Pardon?
Has the film been certified already?
What is available on the domain, my lord, that they have postponed the hearing? Lord, I cannot make a statement.
No. You see, first and foremost, before release, there has to be a certification by the board.
My lord, actually, we saw one message on the internet that on 29th it was given the certificate of UA, but we could not lay hands on that particular certificate.
No one message.
No one, you've not served them.
We'll serve them digitally.
Board must be Union of India.
Yes, madam.
Central board will be Union of India.
No.
Has to be. Central Board of Film Certification is under Union of India.
In Punjab, my lord, Additional Solicitor General appeared.
No, my learned friend will be appearing for 1 and 2 both. My learned friend will be appearing for respond 1 and 2.
Yes, Central Board of Film Certification is under Union of India.
After engaging the madam.
After?
After engaging.
After being engaged.
Then we will let it, madam. Otherwise, we will not.
But there, your part of your ministry
No, it's a separate board.
is not an independent body. It's under you.
No, not before this case, we never appeared before.
Lord, may I?
Para 2 of this order may kindly be seen, my lord. The Punjab, the ASG made a statement therein, my lord, that the certification has yet.
Why the respondent number 6 made a party?
Respondent number 6 is the producer and director.
She is the producer.
Yeah, she's the producer and director, my lord. I have made all that research only from. WP number.
इस रेफरेंस में दिख रहा है.
Is the movie being released on Friday?
But it does not appear not from para 2 of this order.
AG not affected before the Punjab and Haryana court ones.
Therein the Central Board of Film Certification was also present. Para 2, 3 and 4 may kindly be seen. They have assured the court that they will consider the representations. R2 also appeared there, Central Board of Film Certification.
Which
Separately.
He was appearing for the Central Board of Film Certification.
No, additional solicitor for 1 and the Central
No,
Board
appearing for 1 and 2.
and the Central. Yeah, he appeared.
Because normally the AC will appear.
Para 4 Melody has given assurance that he will consider the
Take instructions whether it is certified, and you'll have to whether certificate is granted or not, because after this, today is the next working day.
Yeah.
Find out from the board. Should we have it after lunch or tomorrow morning?
I'll try.
We'll have it tomorrow morning.
But if my humble request is that they are appreciating that there has been a mistake in the production and of the movie. Lord, let there be humble request. Let there be an interim order.
Let them first come forward. We don't know.
My
Mr. Rupra,
my Lord.
in view of the order passed by Punjab and Haryana High Court, in any case, the board is looking at. There could be a possibility if there is some scene which requires editing, deletion, etc., or modification. Probably the film may not release on the 6th.
Probably.
We don't know what the position.
Lord, the respondent, the private respondents are not such persons who can be put any faith. Lord, I have read so many Supreme Court judgments, how the Supreme Court comes down so heavily on such
Yes,
type of it.
Mr. Rupra, we haven't seen the film, we haven't seen the trailer. We don't know, because sometimes the trailer does not portray the actual position.
Yes. But the trailer is so popular, my Lord, and so catchy trailer. I can show the relevant portion here itself to my Lord. And I have given 2 photographs of the trailer, which are so gruesome, which give the impression that Sikhs are the most, I will say, firstly, secessionists, and secondly, they are so cruel. Surah so pehchani to lare deen hate not, my Lord.
On the contrary, Mr. Rupra,
Yes.
during the first and the second lockdown, but you must have been, I was not here, I don't know what happened in Madhya Pradesh, but Delhi and world over, the Sikh community was in the forefront of helping these people. They were in the forefront of providing food, shelter to all these people, and even in Delhi there was an issue of oxygen. All gurdwaras had oxygen supplied, they could manage it from faraway places, and they were in the forefront. Let's see, either we can have it after lunch, we can have it tomorrow. But you'll have to at least give them advance copy so that
Yes, that is because in earlier occasion.
Suppose I give it just now, they may not be able to arrange for a representation after lunch.
at least they are here. If they're same position, they'll come and make a request tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
So rather they make a request today and we have it tomorrow, then having it tomorrow and then have it day after. So if you can,
After lunch, we'll.
after lunch, 2:30.
30 this one. Yes, it's our sir.
So we'll issue notice returnable tomorrow.
Pardon?
We'll issue notice returnable tomorrow. We'll have it at the top of the list tomorrow.
Okay.
Take down.
Because my request is in earlier occasions, he never appeared on behalf of respondent number 2, my lord.
You see, but normally respondent number 2 will be represented through the union council.
There is before this case, I know very well about it.
The power,
Take instruction. We'll have it tomorrow. You take instruction.
Yes.
the powers are.
Meanwhile, they supplied the advance copy to the.
We have given you the advance
No,
copy.
I'm only for 1 and 3.
1 and 2.
1 and 3,
Acha, acha.
not for 2.
No, number 2 is Central Board of Film Certification.
Film certification.
Without instruction, we not appearing.
All right. 1 and 3.
Yes.
Take instructions for 2.
Yes.
4 and 5 you are appearing.
We'll serve the electronic mode.
Thus notice to respondents 5 to 9, 5 to 11. You're returnable tomorrow at the top of the list.
Hamdas to notices. We will, how we will.
You see, by the time the order is signed, by the time notice is issued, prepared, it will be late in the evening.
I see. No, so electronic mode may not serve the hums.
Already through electronic mode.
Hamdas
This will also mean electronic. You will send an email.
I think through electronic mode it may be made.
Hamdas through electronic mode.
Yes, sir.
To respondents 6 to 5 to
I'll file affidavit
So there are
tomorrow
two-
morning that I have served.
5 to 11.
And list at the top of the list.
2 को करते हैं
2 also, my lord.
2 you take instructions.
At least they may supplied also, my lord. So that process will be done to
This one number 2 and 5 to 11.
time of life.
Just make bracket. It is noticed that in the memo of parties, State of Madhya Pradesh through Secretary State Commission for Minorities is arrayed as respondent number 5, and Messrs. Manikarnika Films Private Limited is also arrayed as respondent number 5. Then say issue notice. Notice accepted by Learned Council appearing for respondents 1 and 3, Union of India, 4 and 5, State of Madhya Pradesh. Then say notice shall issue to respondent number 2 and respondent number 5, Manikarnika Films Private Limited, to respondent number 11. Hamdas electronically, Hamdas returnable on 3/9/2024 at top of the list. The order up abhi sign kara.
So, my lord, I am required to serve 5 to
All 2 and 5 to this.
no 5 is no one. 5 is state government.
No, just see there is another 5. 5 is number.
Oh, sorry.
Twice over.
And there's a
notice
typography.
that 5 is twice over.
Yes, I'm sorry. Oh, my typographical mistake. I'll serve them right now.
The renumber की हो और उसमें काम कर उसको काटना 1 to 5 or 6 to 12.
गलती से उसको फिर
6
से
to
5
12.
कर.
Registry has corrected it. It will be 6 to 12.
Registry has corrected.
Registry is corrected. Corrected memo of parties be filed. वो लिखने वाला corrected memo of parties be filed by tomorrow. Then 6 to 12.
So obliged.